Namayani muli ang kawang-gawa at pagmamalasakit sa kapwa. Ito ang naging tema ng naging Christmas tree lighting ceremony sa Discovery Suites sa Ortigas, Pasig City. Iba't ibang kumpanya at charity foundations ang nagsipagdalo sa pagtitipon upang isabuhay ang diwa ng pagbibigayan ngayong Pasko.
It's been a tradition of Discovery Suites for the past 5 years, and this pretty much is a commencement of our Christmas celebration. It's a home for orphan special children, children with special needs. We want to support basically the kids that need the most help, especially this Christmas.
Kasabay ng pagdiriwang ang pagbibigay ng donasyon na nalikom ng nasabing hotel sa Lahi Foundation, ang naging charity beneficiary noong isang taon.
We give a lot of thanks to Discovery that we will be chosen by this kind of company, that they give us this kind of amount, this kind of donations in helping us in our operation.
Ngayong taon ay iginawad ng Discovery Suites ang tulong pinansyal sa Chosen Children Foundation.
Sa dami-dami ng nangangailangan ng tulong, we are chosen by the Discovery Suites to be the beneficiary, and we hope they can help us provide the needs of the kids. We prefer actually food stuff for the kids because that's the main item we need every day, especially the milk of the kids.
Sa bawat kinang ng mga ilaw ng giant Christmas tree ay sumisimbolo ng bagong pag-asa. Sa mga batang hindi man nabiyayaan ng kasaganahan ay patuloy pa ring bumabangon sa tulong ng mga taong may malaking puso at may mabuting kalooban. Lil Mateo, News Team 13.